Before I get started, I would like to state that I do not want this video to be shared with future students. Hi everyone, my name is Ariana, and today I will be sharing some advice and experience I encountered in my first year of college as I took Biology 1140. Overall, the obvious challenge was having to begin my college education online. It was very difficult to adapt to, especially with having very limited social interactions with classmates and instructors. With such little communication, it made coursework more difficult, and oftentimes I felt very alone. What helped me adapt to this change was the resources presented to me in this biology course. I highly encourage anyone who takes Professor Buckle's biology course to take advantage of the LAWS sessions and to attend LAWS at least once a week. In addition, I also encourage you to take advantage of the LAWSy activities. At first, I did not see the purpose of the activities, but when I took my second LAWSy test at the end of the semester, I saw significant improvement in areas of anxiety, information processing, and in selecting main ideas. Reflecting on the semester, I view it as a major success to have completed the LAWSy activities and the How to Succeed in Class document, as they had a positive impact on my grade and my attitude toward my education. With all that being said, my advice to all of you would be to have the willingness to try new techniques and to keep in mind that you can always improve if you keep at it. I wish you nothing but the best of luck in this course and in your other courses, and understand that the skills you develop in this class can be applied throughout the rest of your education. Goodbye, guys.